First day on the job. Boy, I'm so excited. It's like the first day going to school, but what in the world is this? Rebels make it happen. That sounds good to me. Wow. Look at all of this. This is fantastic. Dear President Whitfield, we wanted to be here in person to give you a proper UNLV welcome, but well, COVID-19 demands some social distancing. So we put together this box to introduce you to your new campus. My campus, oh boy. Beautiful new campus. Let's see what we've got here. And I'm not going to be like little kids and just do nothing but keep the box afterwards. I'm going to keep the stuff too. Things to show spirit. Let's see what we have here. When you need to release a little stress, do what Coach Tark did. Chomp on a towel. This will come in handy to do the brow because the heat is not something that you see much in Detroit. Oh, love it. Oh, yeah. This is fantastic. And swag. Love it. Absolutely love it. Well, I think my wardrobe is getting to be complete here relatively soon. Let's see. What else have we got here? Let's see. This is a first day sort of things to study up on. Sagebrush State. And what I have to work on constantly, it's Nevada, not Nevada. See, I practiced it over the weekend. And, oh yes, these are always great to have, just so that you can learn just a little bit of the history. And while we got to think about going forward, you got to know where you've been to be able to know how you go forward. So this is going to come in handy. A playing card deck, and they say UNLV, so I can only use my chips here. So I'll make sure I cash those in. Now, I'm seeing something here that I can't imagine that I'm going to need to use, and that's an umbrella. But yesterday, there was the threat, so it might happen, but at least the colors are. I gotta tell you, be honest, red and black are my two favorite colors ever. Red and scarlet work too. Oh, let's see, this caught my eye. And it says, something to help you relax at the end of the day, not during the day. This bottle of vino comes from one of our longest running fundraising events. Absolutely fantastic. This is one of those things, though, that you don't want to open, so I have to be careful about that. I'll have to find some others for the end of the day. And then, for the time being, you're probably going to see me in a polo every day, but eventually you're going to see me in a tie, those special events, and having pins. This is what marks you as being part of the UNLV community. Love it. Oh, and fantastic. This is actually from the Armed Services. Marines, Navy, Army, Air Force. My dad was an Air Force guy. And Coast Guard, and the Veterans Association. Thank you so much. As I think I've shared with some people, that's part of who I am, is having been a military dependent. And it means that you have to adjust. And in these times that we live in now, you certainly have to be able to adjust to the challenges that are coming up. Love this, because I just got some brand new cards. Or actually, this is so funny. I just saw this on somebody's car, and I wanted to put one on mine, because I don't put bumper stickers on my cars. But I love license plate holders. Thank you, thank you, thank you. From the alumni. I just saw the garden that we have outside, and having a little piece of that, and I'm trying to figure out whether I need to keep this in my office or take it home. But having a little piece of one of the beautiful, wonderful pieces of our university right here in my office is wonderful. But you can't keep me here just because I've got this. I'm going to actually get out a little bit more often, but Absolutely beautiful. Thank you all so much for facilities. Thank you. And then, let's see, last but not least. Oh my goodness. This is fantastic. Now, here's yet another reason of why I'm dying to have us come back in person, and for us also to get a chance at the end of each semester to be able to celebrate graduations. Because this is a chain that goes around the president's neck. And I don't know if it's a everyday kind of piece of jewelry, but definitely at graduation we'll get to see this. We're going to be graduating and celebrating graduation soon. Whether we have to do it virtually or eventually we get to do it in person, I guess you'll know who I am because I'll have the big medallion around my neck. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Have a great first day. This is just the start of a semester that's a little bit different for everyone, but it's one that we're all going to make the best of. So thank you. You've made the best of my day. Thank you very much.